All right, welcome everybody to Severe Weather Update. Today is Thursday, February the 3rd. Looks like we have some severe weather developing in the southeast, in the Mississippi, Alabama area. Looking at the day one convective outlook from the National Severe Storms Prediction Center, or the Storm Prediction Center, you can see in the yellow area, it shows a slight risk of severe weather and marginal risk outside of that. But we do actually have some tornado watches and warnings. So let's go to that right away here. This is the tornado watch box. Scrolling on the bottom of the screen is a lot of the text from the actual tornado watch issued by the National Severe Storms Forecast Center or Storm Prediction Center. But you can see it covers much of southeast Mississippi and a great deal of southwest Alabama. So you can see that on there. You don't need me to explain that any further. You can look up the actual watch itself beyond what I've already posted in my scroll from the National Weather Service if you live in that area. And there's a lot of live streaming probably going on right now. Let's now then switch to the actual Doppler radar. And there's actually a tornado warning in effect in this purple area. Tornado warning until 1:30 p.m. Central Time, 12:30, which would be 2:30 p.m. Eastern Time for southern Sumter County. A confirmed tornado was located near York, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Radar confirmed, and this is it right here. So let's take a look at. This may not be the best radar site, but you can see there are greens and reds and purples, and so there's a lot of convection in this area. But in the area of the purple box, there is green and red together, south of Bellamy, and that shows winds moving in different directions, which indicates possible rotation. I am not an expert yet at interpreting the Doppler radar, but certainly when you see the greens and reds together, that's an indication of rotation. Let's look elsewhere at this. Same thing on this view. These are velocity meters. I don't know what all of these settings are on GR2 Analyst yet, but I know the velocity shows the greens and reds indicating rotation, and that purple box is a tornado warning. So there are additional severe weather statements, a tornado warning there. Let's X out of this here. Let's back up a little bit, and let's look at if there are any severe weather or other severe weather warnings. Here we have a severe thunderstorm warning down here for Wayne and northern Greene counties, and that is based on a severe thunderstorm located along a line extending from 4 miles north of Clara to 4 miles northwest of Buckatuna, if I said that right, to 13 miles southwest of State Line, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. That's in effect for about 3 more minutes. Cancel that out. And if there's any other warnings on this map. That's the only tornado warning, and there's a severe thunderstorm warning down here as well. For St. James and North Central Lafourche parishes is canceled. But as you can see, there's certainly a lot of severe weather throughout, or a lot of, I don't want to say severe weather, a lot of significant weather all the way from the New Orleans area, stretching to the northeast, all the way through portions of Alabama, and all of this is moving to the east and to the east-northeast. So all of Alabama and portions of the panhandle of Florida, maybe the Pensacola area, should keep an eye out for threatening weather in the next few hours, maybe through 6 p.m., which is the end of the tornado watch. Anyway, that's my update for now. Thank you for tuning in, and stay safe. Keep an eye on local weather authorities from the National Weather Service and other live streamers for updates. I'm not going to continue to update this throughout the day unless the tornado situation gets much worse. But again, to repeat, the tornado warning is in effect currently right now, and that is for southern Sumter County. You can see it right there around the York area, Livingston, if I zoom in here, Bellamy, Lolita, Forkland would be next. And I'm not really familiar with too many of these remote areas in Alabama, so I apologize if I messed up the pronunciation. Anyway, that is my severe weather update, and I will talk to you guys soon. Appreciate it. Goodbye.